Thank you very much for staying with us. My name is Martin Dati. Let's start from the legal front. And a former Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Martin ABK Amidu, has challenged the authority of the Supreme Court in the handling of the contempt case that led to the conviction and jailing of three persons in the Montie trial case. Now, the outspoken legal luminary argued that the Supreme Court acted arbitrarily because it did not have authority to hear the alleged contempt case, which he said was committed outside the court.
The former Attorney General and Minister of Justice was of the view that the sentencing of the three runs roughshod over the liberty of the individuals under Chapter 5 of the Constitution. Pampasu Show host Salifo Masi and his two panelists, Alistair Nelson and Godwin Akogan, are serving a 4-month prison sentence handed them by the S.court in July after they were found guilty of contempt brought against them. The three, in a radio program, had threatened to eliminate justices of the Supreme Court over their handling of the then lawsuit, which was questioning the credibility of Ghana's electoral roll. The former Attorney General and Minister of Justice argued that the method through which the country's S.court summoned and sentenced the three individuals contravened several articles of the 1992 Constitution of Ghana. According to Martin Amidu, the inquisitorial Star Chambers method of ancient Britain, by which the accused were brought before and tried by the court, was clearly inconsistent with and in contravention of Articles 12, 14.1, 19.2, 21.1 and 33.5 Constitution. He argued that the title of the case was equally problematic because the Supreme Court did not have regard for Article 88 of the 1992 Constitution, which mandates only the Attorney General or his assigns to prosecute such cases. Martin Amidu has also blamed lawyers for the contemnants for their failure to adequately defend the three by not raising all the critical legal objections when their clients were arraigned by the court. The former Attorney General and Minister of Justice has also waded into the issue of presidential pardon for the convicted Montie trio, saying it is the only way they can be freed as the Supreme Court deprived them of any form of redress. A petition by the lawyers for the trio, which was forwarded to the presidency, is now with the Council of State for onward advice to the president.